Hey guys, we are changing the ignition coil on the Chevy Venture here. In this episode, super quick video, how to change one of these. One of my cylinders is not firing. It has compression. There's just no spark, so we're gonna change this guy. Okay, there's the front of the car, as you can see. So they are back there. There's 3 of them, see? 1, 2, 3. 2 cylinders get hooked up to each. So if like this cylinder is not firing, the first one in our case, we're just gonna change that one. It's pretty straightforward. It just sits there on these 2 bolts. Look, there's a bolt there and there's one there. So one on each side. They're a 5.5 millimeter bolt. Okay, let me show you where those are. Okay, so I removed the wires. Make sure you label them so you know which one goes where, so you don't mess that up, right? Grab yourself one of these. 5.5 millimeters. See, they do exist. And that, just at the front, there's a bolt. Here, let me show you. See, there's one right there. Can you see it? Right there. And there's one directly in the back, in the same spot. So you just get in here like so. Okay, so I'm going to loosen that one. And in the back here, I'll show you guys with this awesome phone of mine. See, and in the back, see, look, so there's one there, and there's one, can you see it? Yep, and then there's one there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I got both the bolts out. See, they look like this. So now this thing, this is the new one, right? So it sits there like this. See, there's like 2 prongs plugged in, one there, one there. So you just basically pull that thing up. Let's see if I can do it with you guys on the phone here. Ready? There, see, it just unplugged. Okay, let's pull it out. All right, so the new one, see, that's the new one. It came with this little kind of rubber thing. Let's take a peek in there because you can't see unless you use a good phone or a good camera. See? So there it is. I mean, you could pull this one off, right, and put that new one in, but in our case, I'm just gonna leave it on. I'm just gonna give these a wipe. They seem fine. Yeah, everything's dry. All right, let's slide the new one in. Okay, guys, there I go. And I mean, honestly, I've been only working on this for like 5 minutes. Not even exaggerating. So you just line those up. You plug them in. There. Okay. You put the bolts down. I'm going to put anti-seize on them just so we don't have any issues in the future. Actually, I'm not going to put anti-seize because anti-seize, electricity doesn't go through it. And just in case these 2 metal things on here are grounds, I don't know if they are, but they might be, that could affect it. So I'm just going to put those 2 bolts back. They're in really good shape. They're not rusty or anything. And that is that, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this awesome channel. I got lots of videos on that beauty back there. I also got some videos on some cool cars. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.